Welcome back to Kids That Learn Earn. Today we're learning the names of animals. Turtle. Girl sea turtles go back to the beach where they were born to lay eggs. Tiger. Tigers can roar so loudly you can hear them from very far away. Elephant. Elephants use their trunks to drink, eat, and even talk. Snake. Snakes can squeeze through tiny spaces because they're very flexible. Great job, everyone. You all did amazing. Thanks for playing and learning about animals with me today.